Hi friends, it's Wendy Moore, and I have just unpacked my Young Living shipments for the month of August, and I wanted just to run through and show them to you. I'm excited because I got some different things this month, and they're things that I've kind of had on my bucket list, but I hadn't done yet. So I'm really excited. I'm gonna start right with the most exciting one for me. Well, I don't know, I like them both. This is the Young Living Laundry Caddy. And I absolutely love the idea of having everything organized in my laundry room in one place. And what you get with this is a bottle of our Thieves laundry soap. Now I'm gonna transform this because I always do, but this one bottle is going to make me, instead of having 96 loads of detergent, I'm going to get 164. So that's pretty good. And if you haven't seen, I've got video on how to do that in my YouTube channel. So you get your detergent, and then you get a couple of empty bottles so that you can make your own DIY fabric softener, and they give you the recipe of what goes in it so that it's not harmful. Sorry, there's a kitten back there trying to get something. And then a spray bottle to make a linen spray. Again, you get the recipe with that. And it also comes with a large roller bottle so that you can make your own stain remover, or what do they call it? They call it a stain treatment, spot treatment. So that's handy to have always in your laundry room. And it comes with 5 wooden discs to go on your hangers so you can add essential oils into your closet and keep it fresh smelling. Love that. And then of course the cute caddy that holds it all together. All right, so that was a big heavy one. We'll move that out of the way. And then I recently got kittens, and they need to get baths. They're long-haired, and that's one of the ways that we take care of them is by maintaining their coat. And I got the Animal Sense shampoo. Can't wait to try it for them. It'll be my first time using it, so I'll let you know how that goes. And then I got 2 boxes with a bar each of our charcoal bar soap. My husband uses this in the shower, and I love that it helps to remove impurities from the skin, and it helps to take away odors. My Illuminize, can't go without this. I spend a lot of time on my screen, and the Illuminize helps with blocking the blue light that we don't want to have too much exposure to. So that's Illuminize. And then I bought a longevity oil. I use this, I told you last month I'd ordered my capsules. I put this in, sorry, a deer just ran by. I put this in my capsules, and I take this daily to help support my entire system. I bought cardamom. I'm anxious to bake a cake, cardamom flavored. I want to try that. It's been on my bucket list for a long time. And I bought 2 bottles of our Thieves household cleaner. I've got somebody who wants to get started with this, and then I need a bottle, so stocked up on that. And then I got 2 boxes of our master formula, and this one, I've shared it before. This one's a full multi-spectrum product, and it's enhanced with essential oils. So we're getting all the vitamins and minerals that we need to support our healthy systems. And my husband takes one and I take one, so we get 2 every single month. I love also how it's delivered. You can open up the flap, pull it out, and this can go in my pocket, can go in my purse. So if I don't have time to take it in the morning, I can always take it easily on the go. And then this bad boy is only available through professional accounts. So if you have a business, you can have a professional account. And this is my lemon essential oil. This one is a, how many milliliters is this? Well, it's a 1 ounce bottle. The light is so bright, I can't quite make that out, but it's 1 fluid ounce or 50 milliliters. So this is gonna last me for a while. Then the last thing that I got, and again, I love, love, love spending time in the kitchen, so I indulged in Young Living's cookbook that's From Our Fields to Your Table. So I can't wait to read through the recipes, try the different things in here, using my Vitality oils and our Einkorn products. And with fall coming up, there will be a great time to do that. So thanks for joining me today for my unboxing video, and I look forward to seeing you again next month. Take care. Bye.